Good morning. How are you guys doing? Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. What's today's date? I can't remember, but I'll pop it up at the side. Yeah, so today is Saturday and it's Saturday morning. We're all home. I have been home now for like 8 days. Yeah, for like 8 days now. Yeah, I have been home. I canceled most of my shift and I was like, I think I need some break. Yeah, anytime my body feels like it needs break, not because maybe I'm tired, anytime I feel like, oh okay, this have to be like my relaxing week, I just want to like sit back, enjoy my house, enjoy my family, I'll just be like, all right, I'm not working for anyone. I cancel my shift and sit back home, make sure I have some nice wine at home to relax, watch movie, catch up with people around me. Yeah, so that's what I've been on with me all this week. I have been home from like Saturday. Yeah, Saturday, even though I didn't work Wednesday, Thursday the past week, but I did one shift which was on Friday before I went for the YouTube event. I remember saying that. So like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 nights now, I have been in my house enjoying my bed because I paid for it, enjoying my house because I'm paying for it. Like, so I'm like, Lydia, you deserve to be home, sit back, enjoy, get yourself all the stuff that you love. And that's been what my week have been up to. So today's Saturday, we're going back to work. I'm not complaining. I've been enjoying my home. It's time for me to like get back on track. Yeah, and few weeks now to like Christmas. This is the last weekend for the month of November, so like from next week Friday we'll be getting into the month of December. So I think it's time for me to get back on track because I love being home during the festive week, the Christmas and New Year week. I love being home. I don't like going to work. That's one of the reasons why I quit my permanent job, because like I love working when I want to work and I love being home when I want to be home. I don't like anybody being in charge of my life. I love my freedom. I love my space. Yeah, so that's it. It's Saturday morning. I went to the gym this morning, did some nice workout and went to the shop. I went to Tesco, even though this one is on Aldi bag, but I went on Tesco and Aldi. I have some stuff that I love getting from Tesco, and I have some stuff that are like affordable that I can get from like Aldi. So like that's one thing about my shopping. Today you can see me in Tesco, Aldi, Sainsbury, Morrissey. Like I have each shops have like different stuff for me, and like when I like something I like to go for it. So that's it. Let's quickly do the unboxing of what we got and let's make breakfast. The kids, they are really hungry now. I asked them to wait for me to make a special breakfast for them because today is Saturday and I'm home. So let's just quick do the unboxing while we make breakfast for the kids. Yeah. Leave there please. I got more of these plates. I love this set. I have some of them before, so I got like 2. I have like the deep one, and I got this one for Jason. I got this one for my coffee. I love using black coffee while I'm at the gym, so I got this one for my coffee. I got some cherry tomato because I got some yesterday, so I'm going to be trying a new recipe. I'm just going to be like creating a new recipe, not trying a new recipe. I'm creating a new recipe today for the family. And I got some Parmesan cheese. I got my avocado. I got just 3 avocado for myself. I know I do have some of these, but just like let me get more because I'll be needing for the recipe I'm creating. And I got some honey. So So these ones are from Tesco item, and this one is milk for the kids. I got this one from Aldi. I got dairy cream for them because I'm making a special breakfast for them today. And I got some cooking bar for myself. Egg. I got this one for Eric for his break, for his meal for school. And I got some of this for myself because I'm trying to lose some weight. Like I've added up to like almost 8 kg recently, and I need to shred them off. So like I just got this for myself to get back on track. I got the kids juice. I know they still have some, but I just got some more to refill, to restock. And I got this chicken because it was on sales. It was £2.25p. I got it for £1.99, even though it's less than 30p. At least that's me saving a little coin. And I got some ginger for my detox bread for the kids because I'm going to be using it to make French toast for them. I'm making French toast for the kids. It's fresh from the bakery. Like they just brought it out this morning when I was picking it up. Yeah. So that's it. Let's start making breakfast. Put them in my room.
Kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. So you came home late just 'cause you wanted to. I'm still awake with her heart in two. She started, where have you been? It's 2:30. Only because you came home when you wanted to. You think you're young Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realized, but you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear.
Thank you, mommy. Jason.
But is this hot chocolate?
Uh-huh.
But why is Jason just drinking?
Jason, eat your food. You finish your chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
No, mommy, no. Oh my God. So guys, well, here the kids are having their breakfast. Jason did not even touch one of his breakfast. Like, he finished his chocolate. I think for like the last time they had chocolate was like March. Yeah, Eric, please. The last time they had chocolate was like March, which was when we moved in here. All this while they've been having just like tea, normal tea bag and milk. So I just got them chocolate today because like it's Christmas period, and I like chocolate is one of the favorite drink that I think I love making for them during Christmas time. So I'm having a hot coffee. I didn't have the bread with them. I'm just having hot coffee. I've had some peanuts before now while I was busy making their breakfast. Eric finished his breakfast. Michelle is almost done. Jason is going to come on his breakfast by the time he's done with his business, which is that. Yeah, so that's it. We're all just going to finish our breakfast now, which mine is coffee. Then by the time we're done, we go ahead and fix the rug. Yeah, so we'll be fixing the rug today and the Christmas tree down there. That is the business for today, before I'll try and go to bed like 4 p.m. to get some 2 hours sleep before going on my night shift. Eric, did you enjoy your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Jesse, sit down. Eat your breakfast. Look at your mouth. Now, you tell me the drink that you're going to use to eat.
I give the food 100 out of 10.
You gave the food 100 out of 10. Oh, wow. That's good. Mommy is the best chef. Michelle, so what are you going to rate it?
100 out of 10. What? 100 out of 10. I give it 100 trillion out of 10.
100 trillion. Oh my days. Jason, what are you going to rate my cup of tea? Because I know you didn't have the...
I give it an infinity out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Mr. K. Mr. K, what are you going to rate my breakfast?
Yeah, 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Let me see that face that you're calling 7 out of 10. Let me see the mouth. That same mouth you're using to eat my breakfast.
Right, 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yes.
10 out of 10. No, I'm cooling out of 10. Daddy said, what did Daddy say? Hey! What did Daddy say?
7 out of 10.
Oh.
And he's finishing almost all of them. Let's start fixing the rug.
Yeah,
You block her.